Hello there guys, this is Ashley's Allotment Adventures, and I'll just give a quick update as to what I've been doing in the past week or so, and what I've been doing today. So I'll just pause and swivel the camera. So got a Hungarian hot wax chili from a well-known hardware store, for want of a better word. Yeah, so didn't have any luck growing chilies this year. Just wasn't happening, so that's the reason for buying that one. So got the marigolds along here, got a big tub of lettuce there which I've got to plant out, thin out. Quite a few of my red barren onions bolted. There they are over there in the big bucket. So I'll be taking them home and salvaging the good bits and freezing that. So we have in here the cauliflower, that's there, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4 golden acre cabbage. In this propagator I've got more peas coming on. I've sown some giant cauliflower, cabbage and calabrese in there, and I think some swede in there, but don't quote me on that. Here's a little bit more of a clue of what I've been doing today. That's the leftover tomato plants that basically I haven't got time to do today. So if we carry on, then these are the first early potatoes. I haven't had a circle around in the soil yet. I'm tempted to. Excuse me. And then we have in there the broad beans and a few little gem lettuce. More strawberries in there. Pea plants in there. Oh, now here's a good indicator of how not to keep weed membrane down. So plonk that on there. So as you can see, there's these are called Big Tom tomato planters. So you can get 3 in each one. So I've got 3 money maker in there, 3 gardener's delight in that one. So then when I get another one, which will be on Saturday, he'll go along there. There's the red onions that's bolted. I should be trying red onions from seed next year. This is the second year I've had a lot that bolt when I've bought sets. Here we have a nice little lot of beetroot, and then along there runner beans, and then from there, along there, we've got the cobra French climbing bean, which is what the other half wanted. Excuse me. And then peas out here. That's the other half of the cobra French beans, and then up there we have the runner beans again. So today I also put these out, which is aroma via tomato there, another gardener's delight there, and a couple of Marmande beefsteak. So we now venture out to the front. Not a lot going on out here now, really. The tulips have died off. Got the succulents there, they're doing amazing. And we've got a few geraniums in there. Sad little sunflower. And then I got this the other day in the well-known department store. A Dahlietta. Some more succulents there, they're doing amazingly well. I love the variation in colours as they grow. And then a few more geraniums and a few out of control sweet peas. So yeah, that's about it, I think. Oh no, we got Brussels sprouts going on in here, as you can see. Can't see my own screen because of the sun, but I've interplanted them with lettuce. They're looking a bit sad at the minute, but that's due to the sun, I think. So yeah, that's the update, really. So on that note, I will bid you farewell with a little shot of the wildflower section. Cheers guys.